welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top news. Creating a sense of fear in Indian community, a new virus has been found in Kerala, Wayanad, called norovirus. Norovirus is an animal-borne disease transmitted through contaminated water and food. Kerala Health Minister Veena George on Friday asked people to be vigilant and issued guidelines after norovirus, a highly contagious stomach bug that causes a range of symptoms, was confirmed in the state's Wayanad district, reported in as many as 13 students of a veterinary college in Pokore near Vithri in Wayanad district 2 weeks ago. Currently, there is no cause for concern, but everyone should be vigilant. Activities including superchlorination are underway. Drinking water sources need to be ensured to be hygienic, Veena George said. What is norovirus and how can we treat this virus? To understand and know about this virus, we have Dr. Prem Agarwal, Senior Researcher in Cardiology, a leading academician and Senior Editor Cardiology at Medical Dialogues.
Welcome to Medical Dialogues, Dr. Prem.
Thank you, Roshni. In fact, you are talking to me on a very important topic today, that is norovirus.
Yes, sir.
Norovirus is not a new disease, but it has been affecting people in the United States for a long time. Approximately more than 20 million illnesses are happening annually, and large number of hospitalization and even more than 800 deaths are also being noted. But at the same time, this norovirus is a very common infection, and many times it happens without any symptoms. And the infected sometimes, when they get a disease, they shed large number of norovirus in the orophycal, and they vomit and they pass feces. The issue with this virus is that this virus persists um on the surfaces for more than 6 weeks, and then continue to infect people. And that's a reason in closely communities, close communities, workplaces, hotels, hospitals. This is very common that large number of employees they get infected, and then this particular virus presents only with vomiting, diarrhea, nausea, and abdominal cramps. And if you, the only GI symptom because it is colonized in GI, and then it happens because of the large number of food infected, contaminated by infected people making food, and they selfish is a very common thing to happen. And I told you that the locations of the wherever large number of people are living in close quarters, and because one person get infected, then he infects everybody else because he infects the surface. And the 70% of the norovirus outbreaks till now noted has been caused by food handlers. In
Food
fact, the
handlers.
people who make food, and they're the people who are making these infections. And similarly, that of hepatitis A virus, but diagnosis is coming when hepatitis A virus is excluded. In fact, the whatever we are eating food and if they get infected, patient gets in, shows infection, signs of infection. We investigate them, and investigating we find that all other common viruses are excluded. The norovirus also tested. In fact, in our country, it is the first time when we are finding in Kerala. Kerala has been the first place, and they have very intelligently investigated it and found out that it is available.
Just 2 weeks back only, there were people found infected with this virus.
That is right. That is right. So we have to exclude hepatitis A, and then we have to advise people that they should get a personal hygiene.
Hygiene.
Personal hygiene is the most important thing. Is only hand wash. In fact, hand wash can never be more emphasized. And large number of infection, even COVID and otherwise also. Hand wash is the most important thing. A proper hand wash technique should be told to everybody, where the 8 steps of hand washing are there, and they should be hand wash technique should be noted to all. And then 10 to 15 seconds soap should be rubbed, and then we should adequate give some time to hand wash, because putting water on the hand is not hand wash. And what we think that what is required is a warm water, hot water, soap, and all those things. And we should when we should wash hands, because washing hand is the only treatment, because there is no treatment for the disease. When the disease takes place, we have to support the disease by intravenous fluids and avoid dehydration. So prevention is the only treatment which we carry with us, and we think that hand wash should be done as early as possible. With starting the work, touching the food, after eating food, putting new gloves, and every time hand wash can be the only preventive and treatment available to us. And whenever there is an employee in these days tells you diarrhea, vomiting, fever, jaundice, sore throat, and fever, immediately the employer should be cautious, and that if the person is having two or more infections together in the same community, we should be more careful. We should restrict such patients not to work, and we should exclude those patients, those employees out of the work as far as possible. And symptom of sore throat and fever that can maybe a COVID and other things should always be covered. Look at this vomit. When vomit takes place, then it is important that it can spread to 30 feet outside the local area. So virus can mist from the mist vomiting can infect into 30 feet outside the visual area. So large number of area has to be cleaned, sanitized, and large number of people has to be used protective mask and protective instruments to avoid that the disease does not spread.
Infection.
So this is what I want to emphasize again, that the splash zone is only 3 feet, but the aerosol particles are available in 6 to 30 weeks. So friends, I must in fact emphasize that the good amount of antiseptic, bleach powder is more recommended, and discard everything in the plastic bag, double bag, like a biomedical waste, and this should always be taken care of. And since now the infection has been noted at one place in the country, it may spread. And I tell you that this is a very difficult infection, resistant infection. It does not get cured as fast as other GI abnormalities are there, and it can cause severe dehydration and death also. That's all, Roshni. Anything else you want to ask me?
So, like, prevention is the only cure, like we say, but this is a new virus which has just created a lot of cures in the country. So, apart from prevention, you suggest any other measures to be taken? Because already
Caution,
COVID-19 is still on us, and with this new virus, it's like
caution.
a plus one to the problems.
I will only suggest caution. In fact, uh, early detection and treatment is a right strategy, because by detecting it early, these people at CAL have done a wonderful job. They have highlighted the importance of this virus, and with that we will take care more. And suspected whenever there is a abnormal projectile vomiting and diarrhea in a cluster setting, and more people are getting infected. So we'll try to contain it there and then. So isolation, hand washing, disinfection, and obviously the seriously ill patient getting hospitalized should be given some
Yeah.
amount of fluids and admission. So early admission,
ORS.
so this is very important. So prevention is a treatment. Early noting and identification is a very useful part. And of course, the people who are getting sick, they should get admitted in isolated facilities in the hospital, and then they should be treated accordingly as safely as that of COVID virus. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Prem. Thank you so much. It was great having you here. Thank you very much.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.